So I'm getting you back to Mwanzia Schools, and independently we are going to focus on the payment integration. So for example, those are business owners who want maybe their clients or their customers to pay through online. For example, you have you sell laptops, or you have any business and you want to expand it so that you may get customers from different places. So I can do something we call payment integration. I can integrate M-Pesa, PayPal, Paystack. We also have Jambo Pay, we also have iPay, we have DPO, all payment integration methods, even those which are found from foreign countries, I can as well do. So for example, here we have international payment method, which I want to display here, called Paystack. In Paystack, we normally pay, you can enter any kind of money which is translated into Naira and then forward it to the receiver that you want, or you as well receive from different people to your wallet. So this is a B2B. B2B is where you can send from business to business, and B2C where you can receive from customers. That is, customers send to a business, and your business also can send to your customers. So you can pay your employees through this payment gateway integrated here. So this is how it works. For example, here I have integrated on my website, that is masterprogramacademy.free.nf. This is for school websites and you are normally supporting. So this is what you do. You just enter your name. I can use my names, that is Mwanzia Mutisya. My name, my email is kpmlegit@gmail.com. So you enter your phone number. That is my phone number 0700819451. I normally use my official details. So if you want to reach me, use them. So when you tap pay now, you can see when you tap pay now, it is loading. Now it is linking your website and the Paystack gateway. Now you can see someone can enter the phone number and then as well pay the amount, that is 100. Now depending on the price of your good, for example, if you sell printers at 25,000, so if any user will tap that printer, that specific printer that costs 25,000, it will say pay 25,000. So don't worry when it says maybe pay 100, you can change it. So this is where user enters the phone number, as well user enters the till number. User can as well choose to enter the till number. So this is what I say B2B, because you see, if you have till number, it means most potentially you have a business. So it means that you are paying another business from your business. So that is B2B. And then you can see we have Airtel Money and M-Pesa. This is where you are going to, maybe you want to pay your customers, or the customers want to pay you. So this is what we call C2B or B2C. All together, business to customer or customer to business. And then for those who are foreigners and those who normally use maybe Visa cards or whatsoever, you can use the card. This is where you enter your card number and maybe card expiry and then CVV and more data. I think those who have the cards, we are familiar to this, so you can fill these details. So this is what we normally do. Paystack, it is very best when we are using M-Pesa till and card. For that, transaction is very fast, but when we use M-Pesa, it is quite challenging. And for only registered businesses, that is when the business will accept maybe the phone number. So for example, let me show you. We're going to pay that 100 and you'll see bad request, invalid remarks, because we haven't registered that number, or we haven't registered our business. Now let's try to pay using my till. If I use my till is 335.7186. Now let's try pay using, and then as it loads, pap, that's all. Please enter your pin, and you can see you are about to send 100 to 410. That is my ID of PayPal, Paystack Payments Kenya. Now enter your operator ID. Now the data that follows there is confidential, so I am going to cancel the transaction. You can see it loads when maybe you are putting the transaction. Now let's go to Airtel Money. Airtel Money 0788910772. That is not my official number, so don't dare call me using that number unless it's an emergency. So let's try to check if you use Airtel. So we are loading. We just give it time, and then pop, you can see an error occurred. As I have told you, if your business is registered, you'll be able, for your customers will be able to pay using their phone numbers. But if they are not registered, then it is very uncomfortable for them. And then if you're using card, absolutely I don't have any card, but I'm familiar to this. This is where you enter your card number, and then card expiry date, and then your CVV, and then you save the card for faster checkouts. This is where you want to maybe automatically fill these details automatically. When you save this card, you just the auto update, and then your transaction will be very easy. That doesn't mean that the card will be doing transaction when you are not there. You must tap pay 100. So that's all about today's payment integration. And in case you need any website, don't fail, reach me through 0700819451, or you can as well come to masterprogramacademy.free.nf, and then you go to contact, and then you can enter your message here, or else you just type a message to the email you can see here. So that's all, and that's our today's lesson.